Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. If you caught one of our last videos, you saw the unboxing video of the Tusk Adventure Bag roll-up kit. We unboxed everything, we just laid everything out on the table, and this video is about how it kind of goes together as a kit. So come on in a little bit closer. They do have suggestions on how they wanted this put together. We basically followed their suggestions on how everything went. It's very nice, it's very tight, it's gonna hold together very well. We still have extra room. We've got a little bit of extra room, definitely have some more room in the bags as you can see here for some additional items. I have yet to decide what else I'm gonna put in, but we do have a little bit more located there. So the nice part is this just simply rolls up. You just get it nice and tight. You can put your registration and some other paperwork documentation there if you'd like. I haven't even cut the tags off yet. Let's be done with that. And then you're just gonna take it and Velcro it back together. It does have a nice strap on there, as you can see. So I don't know yet if this is everything I need. I don't know if this is overkill for what I need to carry with me for the Ibex. I've got a big group of guys. We're all gonna be doing adventure bike series this year on YouTube. Be sure and check that out. I don't know how many of them are gonna pack this kind of stuff around. I don't know how much stuff we actually need on top of this. I know we're gonna need some tire repair stuff. Other than that, I think this tool bag is gonna cover it all. Let me know what you think. If you're into the adventure bike segment and you know what we're missing in this kit, be sure and post that up in the comments below. We do have this bag ready to go in stock at Big Pine Sports, 435-427-3338. Give us a call or shoot us a text. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com, and we will be sure and post up a link in the description below where you can just place your order online, get the order in by about 2 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. It'll ship out the same day and come right to you. Have a good day, everybody. We are looking forward to the adventure bike segment this year here at Big Pine Sports.